gonna munch this right now. Ibang klaseng kanin yun. Oh wow. Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Dewey and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank King's Kitchen. And if you are here with me guys, grabe, these are just inviting, no? Ang bango po ng mga pinadala nila dito. So let's unpack them. And guys, so na-arrange ko na yung mga food packages natin in such a way na hopefully you can appreciate them guys. Let me introduce them to you one by one. Starting off from my left, this is King's Kitchen Soy Fried Rice. Wow, ibang klaseng kanin yun. Next on the list is pork sisig. And then on my right, this is what they call salted egg fried chicken. Oh yes, it is salted egg fried chicken. And then next, this is what they call stir-fried tofu with kangkong. And then lastly in the middle, I think this is gonna be the main attraction for this vlog. Ito po ang tinatawag nilang King's Kitchen Crispy Pata. Alright, so actually ready na ako guys. Nandito yung plate natin. I'm gonna go first with the base. This is their special rice. Let me describe it from an obvious observation. So meron tayong bean sprout, egg, has lots and lots of garlic. Let me taste it. If I'm not mistaken, parang meron siyang a little bit of bagoong or alamang. You know what guys, just as is, grabe, kanin ulam na to. Unang ulam na kakainin natin today is yung kanilang pork sisig. So let me squeeze this, calamansi on top. Check that out. This is spoon number 1 with their soy fried rice and sisig. Wow, pangklase ang sisig na to guys. Grabe, akala ko kanina isang spoon trial lang ako, pero I took another spoon para talagang grabe, na-appreciate ko ang sarap. Wow. You know what? Itong sisig na to is really fit for a king. This is mind-blowing guys. So next I wanna try is yung kanilang stir-fried tofu plus kangkong. So this is it guys. So I think this one, stir fry and yung salted egg fried chicken nila is parang Singaporean inspired, no? Oh wow. So the tofu is really fresh. Wala siyang smelly aftertaste. For me, siguro this one is actually fit for yung mga health conscious or yung mga health buff, mga ganyan. So the tofu, healthy as is. Plus you have your vegetables, which is yung kangkong. And then the taste, grabe. Hindi ka masusuya sa tofu. So it's like, you wanna eat it consecutively. Sunod-sunod. Wow, I'm gonna get now yung kanilang kangkong. Grabe. Wow, I like it. Grabe. So next I'm gonna taste is yung kanilang salted egg fried chicken. I don't know what cut is this, pero obvious observation guys, sobrang dami ng garlic, which means it is gonna be so flavorful, it's gonna be so tasteful. Manda natin. Oh wow, the meat is so tender, it is so soft, no? It's not dry, and then yung salted egg, it's really generous to sa coating. As soon as it enters your mouth, medyo maaamoy mo na talaga yung salted egg niya. So, we've come to the climax of the vlog. This is their king size crispy pata. So wow, that is crispy. Oh man, naririnig nyo ba guys? Para siyang, a crackling chicharon. So they have two kinds of sausawan. One is the regular suka, sili, sibuyas, and then the other one, I think this is an Singapore-inspired dip. So you have your, I think this is ginger, and then onion, garlic, chili, without the rice. Oh wow, this is something. Ang bango ng sausawan na to. And then surprisingly guys, it has a lot of flavor in it, no? Ooh, crispy pata. Another dip. Parang nagugustuhan ko na to guys. So I hope you can, visualize it. Wow. I'm gonna munch this really huge chili right now. I'm gonna give 3 out of 3 claps for King's Kitchen. That was an explosion. Grabe, ang sarap. Oh wow. You have to try King's Kitchen, guys. If you're interested to check out their food, guys, we're gonna be flashing their fan page. They are delivering for the towns of San Fernando, Angeles City, Dau, Magalang, and Clark. 50 pesos only delivery fee for the first 3 kilometers. And then, just transact with them for the succeeding kilometers if you're not within the vicinity of their headquarters, guys. So again, thanks so much King's Kitchen for sending us. Thanks so much guys for watching our vlog. And if you like this vlog, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and any reaction is highly appreciated from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video, we hope to see you there. Bye bye.